let's make a curry powder. It's very easy to make. Let's make it together today. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. To make this curry powder, we need 3 tablespoons turmeric, 3 tablespoons coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1.5 teaspoon garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon mustard powder, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, 3/4 teaspoon ground ginger powder. Combine well and you can enjoy with lot of curries. Store in a airtight container. The yield is half cup.